Today in our vlog, we're going to do a recipe plus a challenge. We're going to be making bread omelette and we're going to eat the bread omelette within 1 minute without using our hands. So let's get started. Let's get started. Let's get started. Let's get started with the recipe. I'm going to prepare the omelette while my sister will apply butter on the bread. I have cracked in 2 eggs and now let's beat them. Now I'm going to add the onions, the coriander, add some salt and some pepper. Now whisk them all together. Okay, we're done. And my sisters also spread the butter on the bread. So let's go and cook the bread omelette. Now add oil to the pan and spread the oil. Place the bread on the pan and toast the bread. Flip them over. Now pour the egg mixture on the pan. Spread it around. Sprinkle some salt and some pepper on the omelette. Flip it over. Okay guys, now our bread omelette is ready. Let's accept the challenge. Time to start the challenge. Bring the bread omelets over to the table. Okay, now let's all keep our hands back. Okay. Let's set the timer up. Okay, here is 1 minute. Now, in 3, 2, 1, go! I'm not able to get How do animals eat without their hands? Oh my god. This is so much.
No using hands, girls.
3 more seconds. Okay. Our timer is up. Nobody could finish the bread omelette. Animals try so hard to eat without their hands. Okay. Now, so nobody could finish their bread omelette in 1 minute. So we're going to have 5 minutes this time to see who will finish their bread omelets. Okay, let's set up the timer. We have 5 minutes and 10 seconds. Okay. In 3, 2, and 1. Go, go, go. Whoever finishes first, they win, okay? Oh my gosh. We still have 4 minutes, 17 seconds left.
Hands on your back.
That's still so hot.
I think Maahi is gonna win.
No, I'm going to run. So still have some of them on the back. And we have 3 minutes 25 seconds.
Look at your face.
My face is so bad. Why is this?
Oh, I think Kushi is gonna finish first.
2 more
Hey,
minutes.
I said no touching in your hand.
Oh my gosh.
Come on, girls, just 2 minutes 42 seconds.
My husband has eaten an egg.
Maahi, hands at your back. Both the hands.
It must be so hard to be an That's enough for me, guys. Okay, I have to finish my mouth. I finished, and I just have 23 seconds. Oh my god, my tummy is full. I have bread omelette all on my face, so I'm going to lick up my face like lions. Me too. And also to digest our bread, let's have a dance party. Woo! So we ate like animals, so I'm going to dance like a real animal. Okay guys, our dance party has come to an end. Oh, and if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and ring the bell. Bye guys. Oh, see you in our next